5 things to help you meditate. Today, I want to talk to you about meditation and give you some helpful tips on how to get into the right state of mind so your meditation works best for you. This can be hard at first, so take these steps and use them to create a space for you to meditate in. Make it your own and give yourself a more relaxing and positive meditative experience. So first, you want to create a space for yourself to meditate. If you are home, then have some candles around. Only ones that you like the smell of, and maybe add a few small things that you love. These could be pillows, blankets, or anything else that makes you think of something calm. Once you have your space, you'll feel more at home and ready to meditate. Second, you don't want to overanalyze your breathing. This can be very tough at first, but it can be done. And yes, you are supposed to focus on your breathing. However, this can actually begin to distract you when you are trying to meditate and relax. If you find yourself getting too wrapped up in how fast or slow you're breathing, try to focus on something else, like the sound of your breathing or the noise of the candle's flame. Third, you want to begin to recognize the discomfort you might feel. This is true for many people when they first start. Oftentimes, this is because we live in such fast-paced lives that it can be tough to just sit down and be still. But you don't need to try and get comfortable if you aren't at first. This will come with time and practice. Instead, just allow yourself to feel those uncomfortable feelings. Then, let them go. This can be healing in many ways, so don't fight those negative feelings. Just allow them to pass naturally as you get used to meditating. Fourth, if you're not good at sticking to a schedule, and meditating should be at the same time each day, then get an accountability partner. This is someone who will meditate with you and ensure that you are not finding excuses to stop. This is not helpful for everyone, as many people like to meditate alone, but it can be a huge help when you find yourself becoming inconsistent. And lastly, you should try to not judge or rate your meditation experiences. There will be days where you feel great afterwards and feel like you are succeeding, but others you might get easily distracted or stop early. No matter what happens, meditation is about relaxation and mindfulness. Focus on how those can be beneficial even in small doses, and you won't feel the need to judge your sessions. Doing this can be very difficult when you're starting, and even more so when you are stressed out and busier than normal. However, meditation takes practice. You won't feel good at it at first, but if you stick with it, you can get all the benefits without the judging or uncomfortable feelings. Just try to put those things aside and allow yourself to meditate in peace. Well, those are my top 5 things to help you meditate. I hope you enjoyed this and use these tips to improve your meditation experiences and increase your positive energy throughout each and every day.